sometimes you go through many years in the industry and then you realize, यार मैं तो इनसे officially कभी मिला नहीं हूँ, और फिर मैं और shocked हो जाता हूँ when मुझे खुद 25 साल हो गए, इनको मुझसे ज़्यादा साल हो गए हैं, and she's just incredible. When you say the consummate performer, actress, you sing, audio books now is what we're talking about, theatre. Suchitra Krishnamurthy has done it all. Thank you so much for joining me. My name is Salil.
Hi, Salil. Nice to meet you. Yeah, it's strange we haven't
incredible.
met. Yeah.
But when you talk about the industry itself also, how much of it is actually easy to sort of constantly be on the move with the moving times in the industry? You've seen so many decades now of it.
Yeah.
Is it just completely unrecognizable today, या फिर नींव और जड़ वही है?
No, I think the need or jud is for any artist is their desire to create, to perform, to connect. So वो नींव हमेशा रहेगी. But उसके अलावा I think structurally it's got more organized. Corporatization has gotten different kinds of funding.
Has that made it more impersonal?
Impersonal, clinical, मतलब थोड़ा homogeneous हो गया है. Factory
ट्रांजैक्शनल ही है, हाँ. इतने का इतना, इतने का इतना,
और कन्वेयर बेल्ट एक के बाद एक, सो पहले जो पैशन था, खुद के पैसे लगाते थे, जान देते थे, हर घर गिरवी रखते थे, that kind of passion is also what drove cinema, whereas now it's just executives saving their jobs. Correct. Following trends, saving jobs,
but when you say also पहले जब लोग घर गिरवी रखते, it was very dangerous from the outside when लोग सुनते थे.
नहीं.
But now, but so when you saw people succeeding, there was a real rush of adrenaline क्योंकि actually घर बच गया, ये बच गया, वो सारी चीजें हो गई. Now also, do you think when you meet actors, are they a more secure lot now, or even film industry people, or are they more insecure now? And from the industry,
I think actors today are much more insecure.
Really?
Yeah, much more insecure because the stakes are so much higher ना. हर चीज़ों का पहले हम लोग कुछ भी कर देते थे. We used to not. अभी मैनेजर है, इतना entourage इतना हो गया है, प्रेशर इतना हो गया है, तो they have to earn enough to just pay their entourage. वो what I'm saying?
Yeah.
तो अलग दुनिया है. I'm not saying it's good or bad. अलग है, but definitely और देखिए earlier क्या होता था कि getting your break was the toughie, was the biggie. अभी break because इतने avenues है, opportunities है, channels है, ये वो, तो break बहुत से लोगों को मिल जाता है.
But to be noticed in that
to
break
be noticed, to be noticed is the challenge. तो notice होने के लिए लोग कुछ भी कर रहे हैं. वो ही problem है.
But imagine you made your debut, 37, 36 years back?
32 years back.
32? 90, no?
94.
94. So 32 years back.
Yeah.
Imagine spending 3 decades and everybody knows your name. लोग अपने नाम पहचानने के लिए या फिर बनाने के लिए आते हैं, आजकल रियलिटी शोज में जाते हैं.
Yeah.
Everyone knows your name. Is that like the biggest victory that you feel as an artist and a performer also? That they know what I've done. They might not know in detail, but they know everything.
I don't think they know. I don't think the younger generation knows.
But they know your name.
My name, in fact, very often, जब मैं नाम बोलती हूँ, लोग पहचानते हैं. Oh, we know your name. Exactly what you're saying.
Yeah.
But they don't know what I've done. So they say like, I know you. You look familiar. Because मैं तो झल्ले. I mean, I just dress anyway. I don't care on a daily basis.
Yeah.
So then they'll say, what is your name? कभी-कभी मैं झूठा नाम बता देती हूँ because I don't want that headache,
Yeah.
But sometimes मैं बोलती हूँ, oh, Suchitra Krishnamurthy. Then it kind of, there's a recall.
There's an entire flashback that happens.
Yeah. So because I have not been very active.
Yeah, correct.
Of late. I mean, I do things selectively and I do niche things now, तो वो काफी niche है. So mainstream public में I've not got back. So नहीं, पर नाम you're right. और also नाम इतना लंबा है, एक बार सुन लो तो भूल,
नहीं ऐसा नहीं है. Also because of course the body of work speaks for itself also. A lot of discussions always happen with people when they compare their struggles over a period of time. When you started off, was it difficult then or now when you want to do the kind of work that you want to do? Suppose you don't get the opportunities, and I'm not saying the struggles are the same. Of course they're different. But mentally speaking, are you more attuned to the struggles right now that you're facing or then?
Can I tell you, I dislike the word struggle.
Oh.
I think you're struggling when you doing things that you're forced to do that you don't love.
Yeah.
When you're doing the things you love, there's no struggle.
It's a process.
It's a process,
Correct.
you know, and you understand that unless there is that, I mean, if you talk about it philosophically, I think since you use the word struggle, and it's a very commonly used word, I don't feel, क्या struggle है यार? You know, frankly, I mean, लोगों की होती होगी, मेरी कोई struggle नहीं in that way.
Was it a very smooth?
Initially,
In and
yes.
out?
Initially,
Yeah.
yes. Initially, because opportunities came to me.
Correct,
You know,
yes.
offers came to me. और मैंने किए. फिर मैंने जब आ भी रहे थे मैंने छोड़ दिया.
Correct.
तो and struggle has a negative connotation. You know, कोई ट्रेन पकड़ के धक्का खा के जा रहा है. That kind of thing, yes, struggle. But otherwise, आप अपने एसी कमरे में बैठ के वेट कर रहे हो कि फोन बजे या ना बजे, you still don't care. क्या struggle है? You know, so.
But do you regret some of those? The devil may care attitude of that time. शायद अगर आपने कुछ अलग किया होता, would you go back and change your own script?
Regret is such a waste of time. अभी निकल गई ना, तो मैं आगे का भी बर्बाद कर दूं by regretting पीछे का क्या हुआ.
Correct, correct.
So I don't believe in regret. I think everybody comes with there's a blueprint that the cosmos gives us.
Correct,
You know.
Correct.
एंड ना आपके टाइम के पहले ना आपके टाइम के बाद कुछ हो सकता है. आई मीन मुझे ये ईगो अच्छा नहीं लगता है कि मैंने इतनी मेहनत की. अरे पत्थर भी तोड़ने वाले मेहनत करते हैं.
Correct, correct.
यू नो, सो वेयर योर बॉर्न इज ऑल्सो योर किस्मत. एवरीथिंग इज सो प्री ऑर्डेन्ड टू अ लार्ज एक्सटेंट. आप जितना भी मेहनत करो, अगर आपके नसीब में नहीं है तो नहीं होगा. और आप घर बैठे बैठे यू नो छत से पैसे गिर सकते हैं अगर आपके नसीब में है. तो आई एम नॉट ट्राइंग टू बी फेटलिस्टिक. मतलब मैं आई लीड.
But do you believe a lot in the stars and astrology and all that, numbers, numerology?
Numbers, numerology, no. But I believe that astrology, Vedic astrology is a science.
Yes.
मेरे father बहुत MSc किया था उन्होंने in mathematics and Vedic astrology.
So he drew out your
So
charts?
he's drawn out everybody's chart.
Yeah?
He's drawn out.
And has it gone according next?
Everything has
Really?
he has said is been very accurate, right from all the big stars to many of the industrialists, many of my friends. एक दो actor दोस्त थे जो उस वक्त 90s में they were like slated to be the next Amitabh Bachchan and
Right.
all. And डैडी ने उनको बोला था देखो 5-6 साल चलेगा फिर ये युग और so make sure that you have some other career source of income.
Correct.
क्योंकि this is not going to last. और शाहरुख का उन्होंने कहा कि यू विल हैव द काइंड ऑफ सक्सेस कि नोबडी इन इंडिया हैज सीन, वेरी फ्यू इन द वर्ल्ड वुड हैव सीन. तो जब ये सब ऑलरेडी प्री ऑर्डेन्ड है आपके चार्ट में, तो आप क्या मेहनत की बात कर रहे हैं? यू नो व्हाट आई एम सेइंग. मेहनत तो सभी करते हैं.
Now do you go back to your charts on the notes that your father is?
No, he used to always tell me कि मैं बहुत क्रिएटिव और राइटिंग बहुत करूँगी, बहुत क्रिएटिव करूँगी.
Right.
And I used to feel and he used to keep saying writer. So I used to, of course मैंने 4 किताब लिखे, उसके बाद भी मुझे कभी नहीं लगा कि you know, but he said बहुत creatively करोगी, you know, that you will not be, you won't be some beauty queen जो you know. And
but
he said time लगेगा.
Direction behind the scenes, writing a script, storylines,
So and he said and late आएगा success, the kind of success that you are dreaming of.
Is that time
late
now?
आएगा, क्या पता. Maybe it's when I'm 100.
But tell me, the first question जब astrologer से पूछते हैं, लोग obviously पूछते थे कि क्या मेरे पास पैसा होगा? You used to not ask your father that, do I have a lot of money or not?
हाँ, but you know what? I was never fixated on money. So I have started thinking about money now.
अच्छा.
मैं पहले सोचती नहीं थी because it was something I assumed हमेशा रहेगा.
Correct.
You know, तो जब तक scarcity नहीं है, आप उसके बारे में सोचते नहीं हैं.
Right.
Because our needs are different. कोई लोगों की होती है कि मुझे ऐसा बड़ा घर चाहिए, 10 Lamborghini चाहिए. I don't care. I don't care about any of that. So money was not something I was ever focused on.
Right.
तो बट नाउ मुझे लगता है कि यार थोड़ा फोकस करना चाहिए था. हाँ, you know what I'm saying? इतनी क्या सरस्वती, थोड़ी लक्ष्मी आ जाए, you know.
I don't see any rings on you, so उपाय नहीं यूज कर रहे हो आप अभी?
नहीं, वो तो उपाय तो मेहनत ही है बाबा.
That's the only thing that you need to understand also. मैं भी जैसे कि आप जानती हैं एस्ट्रोलॉजी में बहुत बिलीव करता ही हूँ, और मुझे नहीं लगता कि कोई भी पूजा से या कोई भी एक अंगूठी पहनने से, मैं कितने सारे ऐसे बड़े बड़े स्टार्स को जानता हूँ जो पहले 10 उंगलियों में 10 अंगूठी पहनते थे और आज एक भी नहीं पहनते हैं, जिनके घर पे जितने टाइल होते थे उसके हिसाब से मूवी रिलीज होती थी.
अरे बाप रे.
Yeah, Himesh was like that. He's a very close friend of mine. But then one day when it didn't work, he said, "Sab bakwas hai Salil, sab bakwas hai."
Yeah.
But of course, he's achieved also so much in his life. So it is preordained in that certain way also. और शायद ये भी लिखा था कि आपके फादर ने बोला क्रिएटिवली और कमल यू राइटिंग विद पेन, हाँ कमल बोल दिया कलम, एंड देन योर वॉइस,
My voice.
which is now exactly what an audio book
Yeah,
is also.
yeah,
This is
yeah.
another world also
I've
of
written
storytelling.
the whole thing, no?
And it's storytelling
Yeah,
as
and
well.
it's storytelling.
Were you
yeah.
always a great storyteller?
No. So I wrote a lot of poetry in my school days and college days and all that. But storytelling I wrote my first book in fact 2009 में मैंने मेरी पहली किताब The Summer of Cool release की थी. Then that became a series. Penguin asked me to make it into a series. तो उसको 3 किताबें मैंने की. And then Drama Queen. And Drama Queen has been a fantastic journey क्योंकि I wrote it actually एक publisher थे रूपा करके उस
Yes, I remember.
Yeah.
Yes.
I don't think they're around anymore.
No.
Good, because I had a problem with them. Sorry. But so उन्होंने contact किया था कि because I used to blog a lot in those
Right.
days.
Yeah.
तो उन्होंने contact किया था कि we'd like to do a compilation of your blogs. So I said, let me try to weave it into some kind of coherence because some of them are random samples, but we can make it into a story.
Yeah.
And as I was doing that, a whole new book emerged, which turned out to be Drama Queen.
Wow.
So and of course,
You never thought of taking this forward into large-scale filmy scripts?
hopefully soon. Yeah. So देखिए मैं I don't know whether it's a good thing or a bad thing, but I'm so used to doing my own thing कि मैं अपने आप पर प्रेशर नहीं डालती हूँ कि मतलब लिखो फिर किसी के पीछे भागो फंडिंग ये वो. It's a lot of work.
Of course it is.
Filmmaking is a lot of work.
Yeah, of course.
So I don't knock it, but
But you
मुझे इतनी मेहनत भी नहीं
But आप
करनी
ये भी जानते हो कि आपके फोन बुक में बहुत बड़े-बड़े नाम हैं.
हाँ जी.
तो WhatsApp तो जा ही सकता है.
हाँ पर then
और वहाँ डबल टिक और ब्लू आ जाएगा.
हाँ.
तो उसके बाद आपको
नहीं पर it has to be ready also ना.
बट मुलाकातें आप बहुत आसानी से कर सकते हो.
हाँ जी.
So it's not that much also. Maybe there's a part of your head that says अभी ready नहीं हूँ मैं.
I'm not ready. So
Exactly.
when it's absolutely ready, and like I said, I believe a lot of this is preordained. So like I didn't know कि ये Audible में आएगा, and I'm having people messaging me from New York and Spain and all that.
All over the world. Of
Yeah,
course.
from all over the world, Hong Kong, Australia.
Wow.
So I never thought, मैंने किताब लिखी, then I always wanted to do theatre.
Right.
And in fact I remember when I wrote Drama Queen as a play also, मैं सोच रही थी कि मैं क्या करूँ, मुझे थिएटर करना था. तो ऐसा मैं क्या करूँ, मैं अपने राइटर फ्रेंड्स एंड प्ले राइट से सब बात कर रही थी कि डू यू हैव सम मटीरियल दैट आई कैन डू. And then one of my friends told me, he said, hello, you have the material that you can do, just write it. Yeah. So then I turned that into a stage play.
Right.
And फिर वो बहुत सालों चली. And then of course I had a lot of personal loss. So मैंने बंद कर दिया था play. I said, मैं नहीं कर सकती हूँ, because when I used to go on stage, I was not able to do it. And फिर suddenly out of the blue मेरे publisher ने बोला, audiobooks are really picking up and would you be interested? I said yeah. And already because the format of my play ऐसा है कि I was already working with voice. I was the only one on stage.
Right.
And बाकी के सब voice actors हैं.
Fantastic.
तो मेरे जब format was 75% ready.
Right.
So that's why he even suggested. He said it's very exciting, and I got very excited because what I've realized is जो response मुझे मिली है. Of course, it's a very short time now, but it's too recent. But लोगों को ये जो audio में experience मिल रही है, it's very different from when they come to the theatre.
It's of course a very immersive experience. It's right there. No?
Yeah, it's like you and your head and your imagination and. Your imagination is your camera. Correct. कहीं भी ले जाओ, कहीं भी कुछ भी सोचो, Correct. So it's a very powerful medium. So I'm very happy with.
So now you're in the Amazon family also. Next step to the OTT with them.
Why not?
But that's how. So essentially speaking, people take years to reach here. To reach there. And like I said, you really need to take out your phone book. But now when you get into the OTT space also, when you watch also a lot of this.
Yeah.
The podcasting space, the OTT space, a lot of it, of course, is caught on. Would you want to do a lot of OTT as well?
No. See, I'll tell you, I was offered a film to write and direct about 12 years back, and
That was obviously mainstream.
yeah. And that didn't work out. मैंने in fact पैसे वापस कर दी थी.
Really?
Yeah.
We really need to speak about your money issues here. आप पैसे वापस करो लोग in an industry जहाँ
No, because that guy was irritating me so much. I said, रखो अपने पैसे, you know. So no, I mean things have to be done in a proper manner, and you know, sometimes things get weird and boundaries get crossed, and I don't think that's correct. You know, I don't like that disrespect. I feel I'm a talent. Treat me like a talent, not some, you know, chick.
Yeah.
I'm not a chick, you know.
Yeah. So that didn't happen there. But what about in front of the screen? Do you still long to be?
No, I don't long to be. I feel अगर कुछ
But
अच्छा है.
a lot of them are doing.
Yeah.
Like
So
Dimple Kapadia, I keep looking fantastic work that she's been doing, and she's straight away reached like, you know, the Hollywood cinema as well also.
Yeah.
Neena Gupta ji is rocking it these days also.
Yeah.
Have you थोड़ा सा कीड़ा वापस चालू हुआ है because of that?
नहीं, if it comes easily to me, then I do it. पर I don't seek work as an actor. I feel जो आए मैं करूँगी, and that's the space I want to be in. You know, because I don't see myself as a full-time actor. अगर अच्छा आए तो मैं अच्छा करूँगी, and I've been getting a lot of offers, but either the money is not good or the role is not good. See, money.
Yeah. Are you negotiating yourself most of the time?
No, I have a manager.
You have a manager?
And all that, yeah. But no, I feel या तो, you know, like in a relationship, in any relationship, whether it's work, या तो पैसा दो या प्यार दो, you know, simple.
Correct.
तो either
and
give me
ideal scenario दोनों मिलना चाहिए.
हाँ?
Ideal scenario दोनों.
Ideal, but at least one of the, you can't not have both.
By the way, have you been surprised also as the kind of money that people make nowadays in OTT?
It's something else.
Crazy, no?
No, it's something else. So it's crazy, but why not?
Yeah,
I also feel that people, like I feel the technicians need to start earning more. It's not just the actors who need to earn. Because
see, cameramen and all still make money.
Yeah, not so much. Yeah.
Really, compared to the actors, no. They still have to put in the 30 days of work.
Yeah.
There. That has not changed. In fact, two things in the last 25-30 years has not changed. Set conditions, no matter which set you go. Maybe food has become certain better, but otherwise set conditions and the conditions of the hero, heroine and the rest of the people. वो अभी तक वैसा ही है.
It's very feudal.
बिल्कुल.
ये बहुत feudal है. In fact, just yesterday, this friend of mine, they have a production company. She said, "Yaar, Suchi, suggest some writers."
जी.
So I gave her a few names. I said, "Listen, but darling, you are महंगे हैं."
हाँ.
So and this conversation started that she wants to do this is where she wants writers, and but she said, "How do you even start something without a writer?" So I said, "Then you need to give that writer that respect, na?"
Correct.
हाँ, आप writer को 1 rupee देते हो, actor को 100 रुपया देते हो. The disparity is too much. You don't have a project without the writer. You don't have a project without the creative team involved.
Correct.
So I think that all needs to definitely थोड़ा इज्जत से they have to be.
Yeah, I think they're trying, but like in the gulf is widening also. I think OTT के साथ तो बहुत wide हो चुका है. जितना actors खाते हैं अभी तो मुझे वैसे भी लगता है. Do you watch cinema these days? Do you go to theaters?
I've been very busy, but I will.
Your inclination towards Bollyland is very less right now.
No, I wanted to see सितारे ज़मीन पर, which I will see.
एक लौती है जो बहुत खूबसूरत चली है ना. आमिर was very clear कि मैं थिएटर में ही दिखाऊंगा और कहीं नहीं दिखाऊंगा. But it was a big gamble. And I just met Anupam Kher ji, and he said because उसकी चल गई है तो मेरी तन्वी द ग्रेट में we are also not coming to OTT. तो 6 months का तो मैं गैप दूंगा.
But that's fantastic.
But not everybody will succeed. Amir took a big risk and got lucky also in a certain way. हर किसी की अच्छी फिल्म जरूरी नहीं है जो चल जाए. तो वो एक बड़ा रिस्क भी होता है. I guess कि I think everyone wants their insurance policies that is there, you know, that works. But yeah, congratulations on this. Yeah. And I really hope to see a lot more of you. Do you use a lot of social media? I don't see it like all over the place. You're very
I do my podcast.
Yeah, that is
I do my podcast.
Which by the way है इनका.
Yes, the music stories. In fact, season 2 starts tomorrow.
Oh, excellent.
Yeah. So I do that and then I talk about what I'm doing. मैं क्या बोलूँ यार, मैंने खाने में ये खाया, मिर्ची लगी, you know.
But a lot of the people out there.
But to each their own. To each their own. अगर उनको वो अच्छा लगता है
I love Dharam ji na, whenever he's driving his tractor, आज मैं खेतों में जा रहा हूँ.
I don't see all that.
He takes his tractor.
So sweet.
And Jagguda also started with that one podha of his.
Yeah.
So that podha,
he's too sweet. Jagguda, when you message him also, he ends it with a podha. You know, that's his way of sending love.
Correct. But thank you so much. Really a pleasure to see you. I think ज़माने की बात है. A lot of people also think कि भाई दिखना चाहिए और काम करना चाहिए और क्योंकि और मौके मिल रहे हैं. और कई बार जब मैं बहुत एक्टर से ऐसे मिलता हूँ in the second run, third run, there is a little bit of FOMO हो जाता है कि यार मेरा उस समय अगर नहीं हुआ तो अभी होना चाहिए. I think you're one of the calmest people that we've met, that
No, I have actors, my peer group. They're desperate. Actor friends, they're desperate.
बिल्कुल.
They put rubbish reels, ऐसे डांस कर रहे हैं कैमरा में, ऐसे मुंडी हिला रहे हैं, hips shake कर रहे हैं. I'm like, you have grown children, man. What are you doing? Yeah. But they're like, this is me. I'm like, okay. So to each their own, ना.
उन सारे एक्टर्स को हम देखते हैं
और सबके पीछे भागते. मैंने सुना है उधर वो उसकी कास्टिंग हो रही है, ये कर रहे हैं. So I know people who are totally in that zone, and I feel, why not? Because if that is what you want to achieve, then you have to go after it. But that is not what I want to achieve.
Correct.
So I don't go after it in that same way. But I respect what everybody is doing.
Actually, हाँ, दो ही तरीके होते हैं ना. या तो आप रियलिटी शो के जज बन जाओ जब आप सीनियर हो जाते हो, फिर बहुत पैसा छापो, या तो आप what she's saying that you have to go after the actors. So that space has to be found out. Or you can be the in between space which says कि जब सही काम आएगा तो मैं yes करूँगी. So I think we'll wait for that space also. Thank you so much for joining us on B4U. The wonderful Suchitra Krishnamurthy with us.
And listen to Drama Queen.
Of course. वो तो already हम काफी बात भी कर चुके हैं. That will happen, but the beautiful story of it, how a play finds a space, and then maybe you'll find another space in the OTT space. क्या पता? And then वो कलम जो है जो सिर्फ लिख रहा था वो स्क्रीन पे लिखने लग जाएगा. ये एक बड़ा सा एक फिल्म भी बन जाएगा या सीरीज बन जाएगी. We'll wait for that time. Take care and bye-bye.
Oh, we didn't finish the Rupa story, but Rupa Publishing. So anyway, so that then became a book.
Yeah.
Then Rupa was also very excited.
Yeah.
फिर कुछ advance के इसमें कुछ thing हुई, and I said, why are we talking about such tiny sums of money? Just leave it. Let's talk about it's a book, and it's you love it, I love it, then the rest shouldn't matter. But I don't know, that lady, that official there got very offended, and I had this conversation, and that night I was leaving on a flight to Buenos Aires.
Wow.
And so long flight, matlab some 36 hours लगते हैं.
Wow.
I mean, you stop in Europe, and then you go and all that. By the time I landed in Buenos Aires, the contract was cancelled.
Wow.
Because something had really pissed her off. I said, listen, I don't want to argue about such tiny sums of money. It makes no difference. You either like the book or you don't, So she got really offended. So because a lot of, I think, ये ego पे इतना चलता है,
पूरी industry.
Yeah.
No matter which part, everything is that.
Everything is ego.
Correct. और अगर कोई काम देने आता है तो बोलता है आपको तो वैसे ही yes करना चाहिए. आप ना कैसे कर सकते हो?
Yeah.
So I think but that battle will always stay, na. Whoever has the greater power at that point of time. समय की बात है यार. पलटने में ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लगता.
Which is why I love that song. मुझे तुमसे कुछ भी ना चाहिए, मुझे मेरे हाल पे छोड़ दो.
No, but आपके हाल पर नहीं छोड़ना है. आपकी negotiation skills आपको better करनी है. आपको पैसे वापस नहीं करना है लोगों को. और अगर कोई पैसा ऐसे आपको फ्री में दे रहा है, आपको ना नहीं करना है. ये 3 चीजें आपने सेट करनी है, उसके बाद आगे चल लेंगे.
हाँ, ठीक है.
चलो. Thank you.